It is a professional, non-contact 4-point infrared thermometer offering precise measurements up to 1500 Celsius and 2732 Fahrenheit degrees. All the necessary paperwork is included. It is equipped with an LCD display, 4 physical buttons and a joystick, 4 laser pointers and sensors secured by a lid, and a battery slot. It is powered by 3 AA batteries also included in the box. At the bottom there is a micro USB and thermocouple probe input. Additionally, the set contains a lanyard for higher convenience.